A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Mamukase. So let us talk about important matters. Triple C leader, President Nelson Chamisa, said that he's not going to waste time on unconstitutional acts. And a lot of CCC supporters are saying that they're happy with the decision of not participating in the upcoming ZANU-PF foolish acts. So let us try if we can have this video and hear what he had to say.
In an event that the court at the end of the day decides you to go to a by-election, will you participate as a party?
Well, we should not waste time on unconstitutional acts, on criminal acts. We don't participate in crime. You know, it would be a different ballgame. Yet this position or this vacancy is being created by a proper case of law and the course of law. But you can't say you choose to criminally produce an impositor, a fraudster, a bogus RICO, which is not from Triple C. Everyone knows who Triple C is. They know it. ZEC, the parliament, Speaker of Parliament, Mr. Mnangagwa, they all know who Triple C is. They all know who is who in the Triple C. But they choose to be dishonest, mendacious, and malicious. What do? They create a tortoise on a lamp post. For what reason? Because they want to deflect. What they know is the legitimate cry by Zimbabweans, that they need the result of the election to be respected. We won the elections on the 23rd of August. They know it. We know it. Everyone knows it. SADC, AU, the whole world is aware that Mr. Mnangagwa did not win the elections in Zimbabwe. And the elections were flawed. But flawed as they were, we won them. That is known. That is common cause. So they want to try and shift that focus. Create a new set of facts, hoping that that will deflect the attention and the focus of the people of Zimbabwe. We are not interested in side shows. The main show, the grand show, is the issue of having a proper government, a proper election, a legitimate government in Zimbabwe. That is the issue. All these other things are side shows. And you know, as you look at us, do we look like characters that would participate in a Muppet show?
You're very clear when it comes to your focus.
Sure.
You had an opportunity when SADC came up. It came up very clear.
Indeed.
To support how shambolic the polls were. And one would say that you want to outsource SADC in the region to complete the struggle.
Well, you see, I like the term you're using, to complete the struggle. Meaning to say that there's a struggle that is going on. You know, you don't give us credit for sustaining this struggle, for commencing this struggle, for standing up to.
So it's very important for us to note that this is what President Nelson Chamisa officially said. We spoke about it a few days ago about the position of Triple C on the by-elections, but he just came to cement that position, and I agree with him. You do not go onto a criminal act and participate. These recalls are a criminal activity. It's a crime which was committed there, and there is no reasonable person who will participate in such an event. So this is about stance taken by President Nelson Chamisa, and personally, I agree with him. And as I said earlier, the recalls, if you go to any court of law which is just, they'll just tell you that there are no recalls there. The Speaker of Parliament is the one who must be recalled by the courts for being incompetent, for failing to discharge his duties if we had a working judiciary. So it is Team Zimbabwe. Let us continue to watch and see what is going to happen next.